आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे फेज की जो ऑलमोस्ट हर वुमेन की लाइफ में आता है, बट जिसके बारे में ना ओपनली बात बहुत कम होती है। माइंड, इमोशंस और सेल्फ इमेज को कैसे बेटर अंडरस्टैंड और मैनेज किया जा सकता है। क्या मूड स्विंग सिर्फ हॉर्मोन्स की वजह से होते हैं?
Yeah, so emotionally also children are suffering from a lot of these symptoms, but like she's mentioned, these are the things that we are aware of. They are happening. हम सबको पता है ये हो रहा है. How do we tackle it? Because we have to go through these years. We can stop us.
Yeah, if you look at Indian culture, Indian heritage, जो पीछे की बातें करें हम लोग, they were all queens, yeah. The queens who used to reign everything.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, from you, Natasha, what is menopause? There is a time in a woman's life when all the follicles will deplete, get to a stage when you are not menstruating anymore. So that's a menopause.
One word to describe menopause.
Me, no pause.
No, I'm not going to pause.
I'm not going to pause.
Namaste everyone. Welcome to Identity, where we have conversations that truly matter. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे फेज की जो ऑलमोस्ट हर वुमेन की लाइफ में आता है, बट जिसके बारे में ना ओपनली बात बहुत कम होती है। मेनोपॉज, पेरीमेनोपॉज, पोस्ट मेनोपॉज। क्या मूड स्विंग सिर्फ हॉर्मोन्स की वजह से होते हैं या फिर स्ट्रेस, रिलेशनशिप, स्लीप और मेंटल हेल्थ भी इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है? इसी कॉन्वर्सेशन को और डीपर और रियल बनाने के लिए आज हमारे साथ दो अमेजिंग एक्सपर्ट्स हैं। एक एक्सपीरियंस्ड गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट जो मेनोपॉज के फिजिकल चेंजेस को सिंपल और क्लियर वे में हमको समझाएंगी, और एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट जो बताएंगी कि इस फेज़ में माइंड, इमोशंस और सेल्फ इमेज को कैसे बेटर अंडरस्टैंड और मैनेज किया जा सकता है। तो चाय का कप उठाइए, थोड़ा रिलैक्स कीजिए और ज्वाइन कीजिए उस कॉन्वर्सेशन जो ऑनेस्ट भी है, इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है। माइंड, मूड एंड मेनोपॉज, क्योंकि मेनोपॉज इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ यूथ, इट्स जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ न्यू चैप्टर, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. So I welcome my special guest today, Kamin Bedi. She's
Thank
a leading
you.
psychologist, and Natasha Gupta. She's a leading gynecologist.
Hi,
As
Shelly.
we spoke about it.
Hi.
And
Hi.
welcome to our show Identity.
Thank you.
It's
Thank
a
you so
pleasure
much.
to have you both here.
Our pleasure too.
आज का जो टॉपिक है ना, कामिन एंड नताशा, ऐसा टॉपिक है जो मेरे दिल के भी बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक है। मे बी आई एम इन दैट एज नाउ, और वी आर फेसिंग दोज सिम्टम्स, सो आई रियली वांट टू नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज पेरीमेनोपॉज, मेनोपॉज एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इन पोस्ट मेनोपॉज आल्सो, इमोशनली एंड फिजिकली आल्सो, फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ यू. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर क्वेश्चंस.
Absolutely.
ओके कामिन, आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद यू.
Yep.
बहुत सी लड़कियां, विमेन बोलती हैं कि मेनोपॉज में आई एम नॉट व्हाट आई एम, यानी मैं वैसी हूँ ही नहीं जैसी मैं थी. तो इज इट ट्रू या नहीं, या फिर क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो अपने में वो मिसिंग फाइंड करती है?
See, I'm sure it is true when we talk from the medical point of view.
Okay.
But if I talk from my mental health point of view, or maybe I talk from my positivity and emotional point of view, I feel that we all are really concentrating too much on this phase of our life. I always say, me, no pause. Me,
Right.
no pause. I don't want to pause my life. My life should go the way it went for so many years. Yes, we are going through the hormonal changes. I don't want to get into the medical thing. But from my mind, I feel we need to keep ourselves positive. We need to not specify ourselves, especially to उसी कि ये time आ गया, अब मेरा pre-menopause आ गया, अब मेरा menopause आ गया. My home, it also happens, जब I'm angry, when I'm losing it at my children for not doing something, they'll say, Mom, you're menopausing. And I'm like, no, I might be just irritated because you have not done something. So I feel as women, we have to keep ourselves strong. We have to keep our routine. We have to keep ourselves positive and fight this phase. This phase has been going on since we were created by God.
Right.
So something which we have to work on and not trouble ourselves as if it's such a big thing or not.
Okay. And Natasha, what would you like to say about this? क्या लगता है आपको, क्या मैं सच में वैसी नहीं हूँ अब जैसी मैं पहले थी?
यार शैली, भगवान ने ना इतना खूबसूरत बनाया ना एक फीमेल को. The moment she is born, she is in her own world, world of mom, dad, maybe grandparents. Then she attains puberty. She has some body changes physiologically, which is very normal. And then she gets married. Probably she goes through teenage, the reproductive life, and finally a stage comes when it all has to halt, and that is normal. But the thing is, yes, the way the people perceive, या जिस तरीके से हमें लगता है कि हमारा शरीर बदल रहा है, वो नॉर्मल है और वो ज़रूरी भी है. तो हाँ, अगर मैं 25 साल की हूँ और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एंथुजियास्टिक हूँ, हो सकता है मैं दिमाग से मेंटली आई एम वेरी स्ट्रांग, बट फिजिकली आई वुड लाइक टू टेक अ हॉल्ट. हो सकता है मसल वीकनेस हो या समथिंग अदर, जैसे कामन बता रहे थे कि वी हैव टू बी हैविंग दैट पावर हमारे अंदर जो हमें लेट गो करती रहे कि नहीं हमें चलना है. बट येस, ये बहुत ज़्यादा आपने सच बोला है कि चेंजेस तो आते हैं.
It is a different phase of life.
It's a different
it's a
phase.
different phase of life.
Okay, from you, Natasha, what is the difference between menopause, perimenopause, and postmenopause? ये तीनों stages कितने सालों में आती हैं हर person की life में या फिर हर woman की life में ये vary करती है?
पेरीमीनोपॉज या पोस्ट मीनोपॉज को जानने से पहले ज़रूरी है मीनोपॉज का समझना कि क्या है. जब हमारे ओवरीज में फॉलिकल्स कम होने लग जाते हैं, हार्मोन्स जो फीमेल के हार्मोन्स होते हैं उनको ब्यूटिफाई करने के लिए ईस्ट्रोजन और प्रोजेस्टेरोन होते हैं और एंड्रोजन्स भी होते हैं कुछ लिमिटेशंस में. तो जब ये हार्मोन्स कम हो जाते हैं तो अपने आप जो पीरियड्स हैं, वो मासिक धर्म है, वो बंद हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ वॉट देयर इज़ अ टाइम इन अ वुमेंस लाइफ व्हेन ऑल द फॉलिकल्स विल डिप्लीट. आपका जो मेंसेस है वो होने बंद हो जाएंगे एंड यू गेट टू अ स्टेट व्हेन यू आर नॉट menstruating anymore. So that's a menopause. अब दिस मीनोपॉज तक पहुँचते पहुँचते जो ट्रांजिशनल फेज है, दैट इज़ अराउंड 4 to 5 years. इट कैन वेरी फ्रॉम 7 to 8 years ऑल्सो. सो ये पूरा जो स्टेज है प्री मीनोपॉज से मीनोपॉज तक पहुँचने के लिए, उस ट्रांजिशन को पेरी मीनोपॉजल ट्रांजिशन कहा जाता है. एंड पोस्ट मीनोपॉज इज अ स्टेज आफ्टर मीनोपॉज. सो अगर देखा जाए तो ये मीनोपॉज का जो स्टेज है वो लेट 30s या अर्ली 40s में भी फीमेल को आ सकता है. आर बॉडीज़ आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द वेस्टर्न. जो बाहर की महिलाएं हैं, विदेशों में रहती हैं, उनमें जो मीनोपॉज है वो 52 years की एज में आता है. बट इंडियन फीमेल्स को जो एवरेज एज मीनोपॉज की कही गई है वो 46-47 years है.
Menopause. And perimenopause starts at the late
Then you can say, if you say 4 to 5 years, so it means 40, 41 or 42. You start with your perimenopausal transition if you are having a menopause at 46
And
years.
what exactly होता क्या है perimenopause?
Perimenopause में you name it and you have it. I think the women and the world has given it a name of midlife crisis.
Yes.
जिसमें आपको कोई भी एज ग्रुप की फीमेल इरिटेबल, डिप्रेस्ड, सैड, एंशियस, पैनिक अटैक्स, चिड़चिड़ाती हुई लगेगी. लगेगा कि पीरियड्स इरेगुलर हो गए हैं, एकदम से गर्मी का एहसास होना, एकदम से कमरे से बाहर भाग जाना, घुटन, सफोकेशन. देन यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट दैट intimate with your partner also. आपको लगेगा कि there is something, the things are not clicking and you get more irritated and frustrated.
Sure.
So there are कुछ body के भी changes होते हैं जो इन सब चीज़ों को मिला के एक पेरीमिनोपॉजल ट्रांजिशन का एक पार्ट होते हैं. सबसे ज़्यादा औरतें जो मेरे पास आती हैं वो इंसोम्निया की शिकार होती है. जैसे कि आई एम हैविंग स्लीप डिप्रिवेशन, हो सकता है मेरे बच्चे का एग्ज़ाम नहीं अच्छा हुआ, या माई हस्बैंड इज़ we are not able to communicate with each other. So insomnia is also one of a very big feature जो पेरीमिनोपॉजल फीमेल्स को
दिखना शुरू हो जाता है, पता लगना start
पता
हो
लग
जाता
जाता
है. और emotionally हमें उस समय कैसा feel
Yeah,
करते
so
हैं?
emotionally also the women are suffering from a lot of these symptoms, what like she's mentioned, but these are the things that we are aware of. They are happening. हम सबको पता है ये हो रहा है. I always believe in the fact, how do we handle it, how do we tackle it, because we have to go through these years. We can stop ourselves, we can't think, like she said in the beginning कि एक तो acceptability, we are changing, our body is changing, a few facial changes, a few things will come in, right? एक तो उसको accept करो, and you have to love yourself, whatever form you might be. The way you look at yourself in the mirror, I tell every woman that you are the most beautiful creature God has created, like what she mentioned. So stand every day in front of the mirror in whatever form, love yourself. That is number one. Number two, what I really believe in is a routine. A routine where you are spending 45 minutes sweating, running, going outside, whether you have your periods are coming, your periods are not coming, whether your child needs you, your child doesn't need you, your in-laws, your parents, your work. 45 minutes, morning, evening, whenever it suits you, you have to take out time for yourself. Whether it's a walk, and whatever you love. You want to go to the gym? Great. I want to go for a walk? Sair karo. But that is very, very important. Because that is, it gives you 2-3 things. एक आपको अपने आप से टाइम स्पेंड करने का, you get time to think about yourself, your day, एक वो. Secondly, your whole body needs that release, that energy has to come out, positive, negative, in whichever form. जिससे आपका all these little symptoms which will happen either reduce or at least you can handle them.
सेल्फ टॉक करना,
Absolutely.
जर्नलिंग या कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज समझते हैं?
You can do any of this is a normal routine which I'm talking about outdoors. What you are talking about is it could be anything. It would be going out with your friends. It could be journaling. It could be painting. A lot of people I know who have taken on to doing some art because color is a very good therapy. Then you can whatever you wish to do, whatever you've enjoyed. Some people like to read. Whatever you would like to do, you should do that. But take out that time for yourself.
Hearing, आपको सुनने के बाद मुझे लग रहा है because मेरा ना गिटार सीखने का बहुत मन कर रहा है कुछ समय से.
Start
I was
that.
just wondering that अभी बच्चे again बच्चे जा रहे हैं colleges
I
में.
stop here.
तो-
बच्चे आएंगे बच्चे जाएंगे. We should, so we all are such committed by birth. When you are a mother, when you are a woman, you think like that. But you know, we have to take out that time for ourselves.
Correct.
Whether you want to learn the, it's just that yes, you want to learn the guitar अभी, but उसको बच्चों के साथ मत connect करो.
Right, right.
If you are getting the time, just do it. This is the time to do it.
So this is the time to do it, guys.
Yeah, मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग अपने आप को ना पूरी
हमारी
प्रायोरिटी की
list-
लिस्ट में नीचे
Oh,
रखते हैं.
yes, yes, very much, Natasha,
So
very
I
much.
think I really agree कि this is now me time.
Me
And I
time.
think I have seen my friends also and I've also seen that after 40-41 years ना एक switch on हो जाता है जो कहते हैं
कि बस
Yeah,
बाहर
yeah,
निकल
we-
गया.
And everybody
we
says
do-
कि ये बदल गए
अपने
हैं.
आप को देखना है.
हाँ.
Yeah, we
Everybody
stop.
in the- everybody in the house is like, what has happened to you, यार? तुम तो वो हो ही नहीं.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, you used to look after me first. You used to ask so many questions for the whole day. If I'm Andy, मेरे बीच में जो घूमते थे, मैंने कहा, अभी वो नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. Okay, I have
तब हम वो
changed.
नहीं थे, अब हम ये हैं. This is what we
Actually, so
are.
that's
Yeah.
the switch which has changed.
Yeah,
actually.
it's really
So
switches
that's
you on.
internal.
Yeah, this
वो
is
कुछ
internal.
हम कोई रोल प्ले नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ एक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, but this is happening, it's coming from inside. तो उस समय what I feel कुछ ladies में, because I also meet a lot of women in my center, और मैं ये देखती हूँ कि सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की बहुत कमी होने लग जाती है. लोनलीनेस का इशू जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मैं लोगों से सुनती हूँ that they feel that we just all alone in the world. So ये feeling क्या physical है और just emotional है?
I think it's both.
Okay.
Of course, physically and through medical terms, she
Like
can
things are
answer
falling
better.
apart, ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ भी सही नहीं चल रहा
Yeah,
है.
see,
Yes.
because in during this perimenopausal transition, when everything is coming to a halt, जब सब रुक रहा है, hormones बिल्कुल erratic behave कर रहे हैं, कभी ऊपर हो रहे हैं, नीचे हो रहे हैं, and periods irregular हो रहे हैं, and then you know, estrogen receptors जो female के हैं वो body के हर part में हैं. They are in the brain, they are in the heart, they are cardioprotective, and obviously, you know, the women menstruate because of estrogen. Estrogen क्योंकि उनमें होता है. एंड जो चाइल्ड बर्थ होती है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ ईस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन. सो जब ये हॉर्मोन्स कम होते हैं तो जो यूट्रस है या नीचे के जो इंटीमेट पार्ट्स हैं सो उनमें भी ईस्ट्रोजन की कमी के कारण बहुत थिनिंग हो जाती है. द ल्यूब्रिकेशन इज़ लॉस्ट, द इंटीमेसी इज़ लॉस्ट. एज सो द एंड्रोजन्स जो मैंने आपको शुरुआत में बोला था कि ईस्ट्रोजन प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन्स और कुछ मात्रा एंड्रोजन्स की फीमेल्स की बॉडी में होती हैं जो कुछ ओवरीज और कुछ एड्रिनल ग्लैंड्स होते हैं वो सिक्रीट करते हैं, वो भी कम होने लग जाते हैं. एंड एंड्रोजन इज सपोज टू बी अ मेल हार्मोन विच जो फीमेल्स में लिबिडो को इंक्रीज़ करता है. आपकी जो इंटीमेसी की इच्छा होती है, व्हाट यू वांट टू रियली, यू आर अट्रैक्टेड टू ईच अदर, यू वांट टू बी यू नो कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर, वो सारा एंड्रोजन्स का पार्ट होता है जो वो भी कम हो जाता है. सो येस, द women डू फॉल आउट बिकॉज दीज आर द फिजिकल चेंजेस which they feel irritated and you know they are not, they now think that they are not up to the mark, they're not able to do that, cope up to the circumstances, that they are not able to equally take part in the you know composition or whatever going on, constructive composition of the house. Like बच्चों को ध्यान नहीं दिया या husband का कुछ रह गया या in-laws का कुछ रह गया या अपना ही कुछ नहीं किया. So I think they when they fall apart and the people don't understand her, she doesn't get a supportive family environment. So ये vicious circle है जो चलता रहता है and she keeps on falling apart too much.
Also, this is the time in the year of your life when children are growing. They are becoming more independent. They are not
Yes.
dependent on you. Suddenly you feel lonely.
Yeah.
You do feel lonely कि I have spent from birth to now, I've been with this child. Now this child is quite okay, going for a party on its own and driving on its own. So that
Correct.
also hits. Husbands are also, I think, whatever you want to call them, menopause, menopaze, whatever. What is it called?
Andropause.
Andropause. So they are going through their own thing, and they are anyways weaker than women. So they don't know how to handle it. That also comes on the woman. And in-laws are growing older. Your parents are growing older, and everybody is growing older. So suddenly everything is, when you're in a 40, 45, is falling on you in a very different way. Your own energies have gone down, and they do not see you in that way. Just say, I have X amount of energy when I was 35, 40, when you were growing, the children were growing or something. My energies have X minus 2, but for the other people, it's still X. They don't realize that
Actually.
our energies have gone down. So that also plays, and then the woman feels, oh my God, and I think end of the day, every woman wants her home, her children, her around surroundings to be very happy. So when they see that this one is not happy, or I'm not going up to that person's expectations, so you start doubting yourself.
Yes.
That's when the confidence starts going down.
Correct.
Then your husband might not be as attracted for various reasons towards you, or you feel you're not as attractive for the other person. So all these things in your mind, in your meta-conscious mind, subconscious mind, starts playing and starts,
Confidence level.
yes, and starts affecting you. Then it starts showing on your face.
बट शैली मुझे
You know?
लगता है कि हम लोगों ने अपनी ही एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा कर रखी हैं
Exactly.
आज की डेट में भी अपने आप से आज की डेट में इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई मदर और माई सेल्फ जब किचन में आप खाना बनाते हैं और लगता है खाना खत्म हो गया यू आर मोर सेटिस्फाइड अदरवाइज कीप्स ऑन रोलिंग यार अब क्या नाउ या ठीक नहीं बना था खाया नहीं खाया this keeps on rolling and when your kids are you know the Zomato and Swiggy ने तो बदल ही दिया है they are like no I don't want to eat this I want to have and then you're like what happens to that palak paneer की sabzi which we've been making
And it's a waste.
And
You wasted money, you wasted this, and you, yes, that's so we ourselves complicate our lives. And nobody's bothered.
And we can't
Nobody's
let it
seen
go.
that palak paneer.
Yeah.
Nobody is worried. Nobody's seen that smile on your face कि खाना अच्छा बना था और खत्म हो गया.
Yeah.
But we have thought about it so much. So we really need to make our mind free and our mind clear and simple.
One more question here. Do it happens more with क्या working mothers जो होती हैं और जो housewives होती हैं उनका level of confidence is hit more या फिर दोनों में कुछ difference नहीं है?
या मुझे लगता है ना वर्किंग मदर्स ना बहुत गिल्ट के साथ रहती हैं
हाँ, बिल्कुल,
Yes.
बिल्कुल.
अब जैसे आई वाज आई एक्चुअली टेल यू दैट you know when I was little I came back my mom was there she
Always
knows
there.
हाँ she will be ready with a candy अभी भी मुझे सारा याद है but you know it's like my profession is I'm a doctor if my kids will go home na they will not get that you know that the same kind of vibe and energy you know like mama will not be there they are adjusted and then when I go back home I'll be giving them materials you know कि तुम ये ले लो it will not be a मेरे को लगता है कि वो
We work
quality
that
time
extra
हाँ that thing na so that guilt factor really kills most of the working moms
So to support that, I always say, it's not the quantity of time you need to spend with your child, it's the quality of time. So you can spend 5 hours at home with your child and still not be there. But if you spend those 15 to 20 minutes with your child, which is just one-to-one, where the child or anybody in the house has felt heard and you have heard the person, you won your day.
we have to set boundaries
Yes.
now
Yes.
Actually, we have to.
You have to.
या जो हम लोग नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज हम अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस में अपने गिल्ट में मरते रहते हैं सो वी डोंट नो दैट दिस इज अ बाउंड्री नाउ दिस इज इट यू आर सपोज टू बी आस्किंग अबाउट मी व्हेन आई कम होम आस्किंग मी हाउ वाज माय डे आल्सो सो आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट इन माय हाउस
Actually.
yeah so you have to greet me like you know you are greeted you know it has to be an equal so there what you know the gender equality should come
Absolutely. No, but then this is a change, Natasha, which you are feeling in yourself, or earlier we never used to demand this.
no
पहले नहीं पता चलता था मुझे लगता है like मैं if I talk about myself मैं घर आती थी मैं बस भाग रही हूँ कभी किचन में कभी यहाँ everybody is okay like सब ठीक है मॉम डैड के पास बच्चों के पास हस्बैंड के पास सब ठीक है सब कुछ जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया so now my next shift starts. It's like I was not bothered if somebody has asked me कि मैं बाहर क्या करके आई हूँ या मेरा दिन कैसा था क्या है बस मुझे ये करना है मुझे ये लगता था बट नाउ आई फील दैट अरे यार मैं इतना कुछ काम करके आई हूँ नाउ इफ माय चाइल्ड इज सिटिंग एंड उसको भी पूछना चाहिए मामा हाउ वाज योर डे
Yeah.
आपका जो शूट था वो ठीक हो गया आपकी जो क्लास थी आपको कोई सेशन था वो ठीक गया कि नहीं गया So now this is a change which I'm watching in myself since last 1.5 year. कि now they should also ask me like it's been years now.
ये
अब
स्विच
मुझे
ऑन हो
change-
गया, शैली स्विच ऑन हो गया, क्योंकि ना इससे दो चीज़ों का फर्क पड़ता है. एक तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत बेटर हो रहा है.
Yes.
Right.
You are, you know, when somebody is asking you, you are responding.
हाँ.
You know, it's very important. So next thing is, my kids always know what am I going to do, where am I going,
Yes.
Right.
and I also know in the meantime what they have done.
Right.
So this is what is, I think, the quality time
Absolutely.
for me, and
Correct.
this is a lot of respect that I'm earning for myself, and probably I am teaching my kids, you know, that
To
it
be
has
more
to, yeah, it has to, because ज़माने के साथ साथ joint families बहुत कम होती जा रही हैं.
बहुत
Career orientation में भी husband कहीं और काम करते हैं, wife कहीं और.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So whosoever is having the kids have to take this moral responsibility.
Yes. It's I mean, just before we sat down here, I just texted on my family group that for 2 hours I'll be here, or maybe for up to this much time I'll be here. So, you know, you can just text me if anything, otherwise I'm not going to respond. So one has to. So with the result, if my child is going out anywhere in the evening or anywhere else, my
Yeah.
child has also said, well,
They will
I'm here,
reciprocate the same
I'm here,
things.
and I'll be back by so much, whatever. So, you know, that you are in a way putting in a sense of responsibility. And like I always said when we started in the beginning, that conversations and communication is the mantra for everything. Suppose I've had a bad day.
Correct.
It might have been a bad day for me, but if I've come and spoken about it at home, they would react in a manner where it might not feel so bad. You'll also feel good ki it wasn't a disaster, it wasn't the end of the world, because they are seeing it from their point of view. For them it might not be a disaster. So it's so important to express, to tell, to talk, to communicate, and let each one, like I said, be heard, and you also to be heard.
So मेरे ख्याल से मैं गलत नहीं हूँ अगर मैं बोलूँगी भारत का सभ्यता तो भारत की जो सभ्यता है वो तो फीमेल्स के साथ ही.
Yes, absolutely.
You have to really treat us good.
Actually, you have to-
Absolutely, absolutely. But you know what? If you look at it, there is a lot of respect for a woman. We have also diluted it to a major level. Like, I feel over generations, if we are together, if we let ourselves be respected, after all, a woman might just be disrespecting us. Huh? I always believe in that. So if you look at the Indian culture, there is a lot of respect deep down given to lot of things, and maybe somewhere we have diluted it. So we have to always stay up to
So is the time
ourselves.
to just, you know,
Absolutely.
get back in position.
Absolutely.
So yeah, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it'll take generations अभी, like it'll take some time to
It'll take
come back
time.
to that state.
This patriarchal society is
हाँ,
very
I think
difficult to
मुझे
move
लगता है
it.
समय लगेगा.
या बहुत समय लगेगा बिकॉज लोग अगर मैंने देखा है जेंडर इक्वालिटी में आई वाज हैविंग अ टॉक विद माय डॉटर्स ओनली व्हाट इज जेंडर इक्वालिटी फॉर यू एवरीबडी गिव अ डिफरेंट आंसर बट फॉर मी इट्स लाइक यू नो people are not using cerebral intelligence in male and females. They are comparing the physiological needs and the physiological body of the male and female, in which, you know, there is a two different body and souls.
I have only
So-
one thing to say. We are superior. There is not. I don't believe in gender equality because
Yeah, there can never be a
we
gender equality.
They cannot be, because we are much superior in every way. Emotionally, physically they might just be a little strong. Emotionally, we take pains better. We are more hardworking. We have more grit. We are more organized. We are more every way. So there cannot be a gender
You know, I
equality.
can vouch for some males who are equivalent.
See, exceptions are everywhere.
Yeah.
We are not looking into exceptions. But I'll talk to a lot of young girls who are in that morcha mode.
Actually they are.
Morcha mode. But I tell them, why? Why are we here to prove it to a man that we are better? We are better. And in fact, we are giving them so much importance by making
But
them.
हमें prove करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है ना. I mean वो
It will-
they are asking for a proof actually.
No, but the
You
thing
know,
is
we
that
are better. हम हैं वो तो अपने आप को समझ कर
because again, over, like she said, it will take generations
Yes,
for it to get.
actually.
No, generations we have allowed them to suppress us. It is because we were always stronger. There is no doubt about it.
Yeah, if you look at Indian culture, Indian heritage, जो पीछे की बातें करें हम लोग, even the palaces, they were all queens, yeah. The queens who used to reign everything.
That's what I'm saying. We
The
are
queens used to
allowing them.
destroy
yeah.
पूरा reign.
A woman could do that. That's what we कहते हैं ना.
Yeah.
A woman can make and break a home.
हाँ.
I mean, it's a very strong statement, because in that statement you have all the power.
Yeah.
You have all the power. We let it be diluted, which we should not.
We are the queens.
We are the queens.
Yeah, we
we
are
will
the
remain
queens.
the queens.
We have the crowns.
Okay.
They need
Now,
gender equality.
All right. So now, if I come to anxiety and panic attacks, is it emotional या फिर physical reason है इसका पीछे नाशा? क्योंकि होने
Yeah.
लग
Both,
जाता है in
both.
perimenopausal phase also. आजकल तो मैं बच्चों को भी देख रही हूँ, they are not in any phase, but then उनको भी होता है. लेकिन if we connect it to perimenopausal, menopausal, anxiety और panic attacks का क्या relationship है? Is it emotional or physical?
It's
See,
both, I think.
if I talk about from a gynec perspective, it's again to do with estrogen. Estrogen is a happy hormone of a female, which is a fuel to some hormones जो हमारी बॉडी में होते हैं. जैसे आपने सुना होगा सेरोटोनिन, डोपामिन, एंडोर्फिन्स, जो हमें हमेशा हैप्पी रखते हैं. They will always trigger the good part in our body, and they will be always contented and satisfied hormones. So with these perimenopausal transition, when the levels are down, what happens with these hormones are also falling down. And then when these hormones are down, they will trigger any part of the neurons, and then there'll be brain fogging. You'll not understand ki what has happened, and there'll be absent-mindedness, which will increase the anxiety. As far as even the receptors of the estrogen and the cardiac, women will have palpitations. उनको है ना घबराहट जल्दी हो जाएगी, पैनिक अटैक्स हो जाएंगे, they will not know what to do. So all this depression, sadness, these all are a part of the perimenopausal transition. And I think what you were talking about कि हम teenage की girls में देखते हैं, because they are also having a transition, because they are developing those hormones, they don't know what to do. And most of the mothers, we don't talk about कि अब 12-13 years की एज में आपकी breast development होगी, thelarchy होगी, you're going to have hair on different parts of your body, which is okay to have, you're going to be entering menstruation होने वाली है. So the talk and communication is very important. जितना puberty age में important है, उससे ज़्यादा perimenopausal age में important है, because we also need somebody to talk to us about.
बिल्कुल. And if I come to the emotional side,
Yeah, of course. Emotionally also, again, it is. I'm keeping medically completely away. You get more anxious. Again, keeping a little bit of the medical things in between. Your body cannot cope up that much. So that much faster you're getting anxious. Panic attacks happen. Of course, they are short term. They're not as long as anxiety attacks. But again, panic attacks are happening because you cannot. ब्रेन फॉगिंग हो गई, योर थोड़े fears आ गए लाइफ में, you've seen life more, you know the pluses and minuses of life, so you are more aware कि this can lead to this, so you think that much little more negative or something, so you get your panic attack and you get anxious. Again, you will be getting panic attacks, you will get anxious. We have to find a solution to that. So at that moment, you
Meditation.
have to meditation like doesn't work for me, works for a lot of people.
and it doesn't work. Yes.
It doesn't work for me. I get more restless. It doesn't work for me. What works for me is getting out for a walk, or listening to some music, or just going out for a drive. And if I can't do that, at that moment I always tell everybody, just go to the washroom and splash lots of water on your face, take a shower head to toe, hot, cold, any of these things. At that moment, just go and do any short term easy home life skill which will give you. Like a friend of mine cooks, the minute I see her cooking a lot, I know उसके माइंड में कुछ पैनिक है, कुछ स्ट्रेस है, कुछ एंग्जाइटी है जिसको वो निकाल रही है. A client of mine, she does a lot of cleaning, so she just takes out 2-3 drawers and starts organizing them and cleaning them.
This is a good technique. Meditation works in a calm state of mind. What I feel, Natasha. This works immediately.
At that moment, you want
shifts from that place to something else.
Your mindset shifts, your energies shift. Because these things are generally lasting for around 10 minutes, 15 minutes, if not prolonged. So that moment one has to, and keep your irritants away at that moment. Just walk away.
We tried.
Whoever's irritating you or some irritant is there, just run away from that. So that is something one I feel really works very well at.
I think this is what is CBT, है ना?
Yeah,
Cognitive
CBT
behavioral
is
therapy.
basically facing your fears.
Yeah,
You have
so
to
this
face
is,
your
yeah.
fears, and best way to face them, because otherwise if that's my logic, is that if you keep piling them on, they will trouble you at some point of time, and then that will make you anxious. So why let it pile on? Just try to face it there and then, and
get a
you know,
closure
get
on
it closure out of
ये
it.
बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ना
Closure.
हम अगर किसी सिचुएशन से भागेंगे हम ही भाग रहे हैं सिचुएशन तो
Situation
वही
वही
है
है,
उसको
exactly.
हैंडल करना बहुत
So it's
ज़रूरी है
very
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
important.
मगर इन अ वेरी काम सेट ऑफ माइंड आई
Very
एग्री
calm set of mind.
सो द थिंग इज वी शुड नेवर रन फ्रॉम एनी सिचुएशन विच इज़ अ ट्रबलसम सोल्यूशन निकालो हर चीज़ का सोल्यूशन है और जैसे शाहरुख खान कहता है बाद में सब सेटल हो जाता है
Absolutely.
आखिर में सब कुछ ठीक
आखिर में सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है
Absolutely.
राइट मेनोपॉज के टाइम पे विमेन इमोशनली इतना डिफरेंट फील करती हैं मेनोपॉज पोस्ट मेनोपॉज एंड पेरीमेनोपॉज जैसा मैंने कहा कि वो मैं पर्सन हूँ ही नहीं जैसे कई लोग कहते हैं कि मैं वो नहीं हूँ तो इसको ठीक करने के लिए इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट सम मेडिसिन्स या फिर इमोशनल थिंग्स या कोई थेरेपी हमें क्या करना चाहिए उस समय Like if we talk about
See, when I
therapists.
talk of therapy, I feel come and talk. No,
Okay.
I'm not saying it because it's my profession, but I would say everyone should visit a therapist just to let your emotions, thoughts out. Because whenever, even if you're talking to your friends, you have the closest relationship with your friends. A lot of cases I've seen that a person X will talk to on a certain topic to person one friend, a different topic to another friend, seeing your connection and your
Yes.
connect with that friend. So you do camouflage some feeling of yours. You do project something, even if you want to really talk bad about say your husband also.
Yeah.
एंड में बोलो कि नहीं वैसे तो ठीक ही है बुरा तो नहीं है मतलब you know you don't want to do that. Your internal
You
self
just don't
does
want to create a bad image in your friend,
exactly.
of your husband.
So you need to go, like I had a client the other day. I said, so what brings you here? She said, I just want to talk, say, cry and go. So I think women really need to do that, where they are not filtering what, because we are very good at filtering, we're very good at making barriers in our lives.
Right.
So we need to at a place where we are not filtering anything. We are talking our heart out, we are saying what we want to. In a way, we vomited everything out, mitti pao, and move ahead. So that is something very important, not to let anything negative stay in your mind about anything, a situation, a person, an incident, so that you are not carrying that, because that little thing becomes a mountain.
Correct.
So that is the best thing to do for every woman during these few years of life.
वेरी ट्रू एक लाइफ में बैलेंस लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है सो इन केस यू आप किसी से बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं यू हैव योर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस योगा इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन रियली रिजॉर्ट टू इट कैन स्ट्रेस decrease your stresses it can release if you do even any mudrika of yoga asanas and if you are doing it so I think lom
Yes.
vilom kriya
Yes,
ya
yes,
any of those
anything.
yoga
बहुत
kriyas are very nice and very effective as well and when we are talking about कि कुछ medicines दे सकते हैं नहीं दे सकते so I would ask that we women should start taking multivitamins at least because calcium जो bone loss है हमारा जो bone से loss हो रहा है calcium वो 30 years की age से होना start हो जाता है but after 40 years if we are not taking curd and yogurt and milk and all which is not in our diet which most of the people are not now taking so I think calcium should be included along with vitamin D3 I have seen lot of social media price about magnesium, but magnesium doesn't work for all.
I was going
This
to
I have
ask you
seen,
this. I was about
actually.
to ask you about
Yeah,
what is this magnesium
is,
hype.
Few marketing gimmicks are also there magnesium को लेके, but yes, magnesium, calcium, MgD3K2 ये एक combination आता है which is very good, which will calm your nerves. It will because it's a very good. It's a kind of a kit in itself. You don't need anything extra. So the women who are not able to sleep, who are very anxious, they're related to very good because magnesium is a very good trace element for the heart as well. So you can also go for omega-3 fatty acids. So I think it's all got to do with those micronutrients which you are actually, depleting in your body with the age and if not a proper diet. Third thing I will like to say, you should have to have some form of exercise in your life.
That's what I said.
So
in
there
the
are
beginning.
resistance training or strengthening of the muscle because you keep on losing 3% of the muscle mass after 30 years of age. And no matter आप जितना मर्जी प्रोटीन खा लीजिए आप जितना अच्छा डाइट रख लीजिए your muscles have to be made if you're not able to go gymming, आप कुछ भी चीज़ घर पे ही स्टूल पे बैठ के you can raise your legs. आप कुछ भी चीज़ उठा के, बेलन ही उठा के आप ऐसे कर लीजिए. So it is a good resistance training against standing against the wall. So ये जो सार्कोपीनिया है, जो मसल लॉस और बोन प्रॉब्लम्स फीमेल्स में आ जाती हैं, सार्कोपीनिक ओबेसिटी कहते हैं, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे आप एज करेंगे आपको थोड़ा वेट भी लगेगा कि आपका गेन हो रहा है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल मेलो डाउन इफ यू आर डूइंग इट इन योर पेरीमीनोपॉज. मीनोपॉज के बाद आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, और फिर लाइफ और इरिटेबल हो जाएगी, और हस्बैंड तो फिर बिल्कुल ही लगेगा कि यार व्हाट ही इज आल्सो नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग यार. So I think so all these micronutrients and basic level things we can do: good diet, yoga, exercise, weight bearing, resistant exercises, and micronutrients. जो I think indications for taking estrogens or hormonal therapy should be only in specific specific conditions.
What is HRT and किस के लिए क्या ये ज़्यादा हाइप्ड है, और इसके साथ बहुत सारे मिथ्स जुड़े हुए हैं नताशा. सो ऑडियंस भी और मैं खुद पर्सनली भी जानना चाहती हूँ कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज एंड डू इट रियली वर्क्स फॉर ऑल द women.
All the women should not take hormonal replacement therapy. HRT, hormone replacement therapy. It means जो हमारी बॉडी में जिस हार्मोन की कमी हो गई है वो आप उसको एक्सटर्नली आप दे दीजिए हमें. सो HRT जो होता है वो दो फॉर्म्स में होता है. एक BHRT विच इज़ बायोइडेंटिकल हार्मोनल रिप्लेसमेंट. दैट मीन्स जो ईस्ट्रोजन हमारी बॉडी में नहीं बन रहा है या डिप्लीट हो रहा है उसको हम या तो सिंथेटिक फॉर्म में ले लें या फिर हम प्लांट बेस्ड फॉर्म में ले लें. जो प्लांट बेस्ड फॉर्म होता है उसको आइसोफ्लुवान्स कहते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी गुड इफ टेकन इन पेरीमेनोपॉजल एज, एंड दैट इज़ convenient and easy and with no side effects. Any women can take it. और जितना मर्जी टाइम के लिए ले सकते हैं. आइसोफ्लेवॉन्स, दिस इज़ द जेनरिक नेम. उसके साथ के बहुत सारे मेडिसिन के नाम आ जाते हैं. इफ़ यू गो टू एनी गायनेक शी कैन एक्चुअली प्रिस्क्राइब यू. और एक होते हैं सिंथेटिक ईस्ट्रोजन. जैसे आप टैबलेट्स लेते हैं, आपको बुखार नहीं होता रहा, पैरासीटामोल डोलो लोगे, तो वैसे ईस्ट्रोजन के भी बड़े कॉम्बिनेशंस आते हैं. बट देन वो उन फीमेल्स को लेना चाहिए जिनकी एज 65 से कम है. Because estrogens enough, बहुत सारे estrogens in our body is not very good because they can cause thromboembolic stroke, paralysis, heart failure के कारण भी बन सकते हैं. If you are not exercising, if you have a sedentary lifestyle, if you are at a risk of hypertension, क्योंकि इस एज में बहुत सारी फीमेल्स को थायराइड डिसऑर्डर्स, डायबिटीज़, हाइपरटेंशन, ओबेसिटी, सबका मेटाबॉलिक सिंड्रोम कहते हैं इस किट को, वो हो जाता है. सो इन केस आपके ये प्रिवलेंट होते हुए हाई रिस्क फैक्टर्स में हम ईस्ट्रोजन भी ले रहे हैं, सो इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू गो एनी गुड. इन केस फीमेल्स को वेसोमोटर सिम्टम्स हो रहे हैं, जैसे बोलते हैं कि एकदम हॉट फ्लशेस, आपने सुना होगा कि एकदम से एक सडन इंटेंस हीट आ जाती है, गर्मी फेस पे, नेक पे, चेस्ट पे लगेगी, और वो विद इन 1 to 5 मिनट्स एकदम जाके एकदम ठंडी पड़ जाएगी फीमेल. दैट ऑल्सो हैपन्स बिकॉज जो ईस्ट्रोजन बॉडी में हाइपोथैलेमस में होता है, उसके थर्मो रेगुलेटरी जो रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं वो बिगड़ जाते हैं, और उसका थ्रेशोल्ड इतना ऊपर नीचे एरेटिक हो जाता है कि बॉडी की कोर टेम्परेचर को पता नहीं होता कि कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है. ये अभी गर्मी है, अगर गर्मी होती है तो वेसल्स डायलेट हो जाती हैं, तो एकदम वो ठंडा पड़ जाता है, तो एकदम ठंड हो जाता है. तो उसके भी बड़े ग्रेड्स हैं, माइल्ड, मॉडरेट, सिवियर. सो इन केस आपको हॉट फ्लैशेस है देन आपको लेना चाहिए. इन केस यू आर हैविंग ऑस्टियोपीनिया या ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, बोन्स वीक हैं, आप टेस्ट करवा के देखेंगे, आपके गायनेक बोलेंगे कि नहीं और बोन्स आर वीक, आपको ईस्ट्रोजन लेना चाहिए, उस केसेस में आप HRT लेते हो. या इन सम फीमेल्स अगर इट गिव्स यू कार्डियक प्रोटेक्टिव इफेक्ट ऑल्सो इन केस यू हैव अ हिस्ट्री. सो दीज फीमेल्स शुड टेक. इफ यू आर हैविंग इरिटेबिलिटी, डिप्रेशन, पेरीमेनोपॉजल इरेगुलर साइकिल्स, प्लीज दिस इज नॉट इंडिकेशन फॉर एनी HRT.
Very good idea, because
Thank you so much for
because
clarifying.
anybody and everybody is always
Actually,
wanting
we're
to
always talking
yeah.
about this HRT. बहुत
And
सुनने
when
में
you
आ
say
रहा है,
hot flashes like very periodic, or if it's just happening come so it's okay, fine, कोई फर्क नहीं है.
से जैसे मैंने बोला हॉट फ्लशेस माइल्ड, मॉडरेट, सिवियर होते
अच्छा,
हैं.
so
सो
I
माइल्ड
know.
इज इन के आपको हो सकता है फ्यू सेकंड्स के लिए हो और हफ्तों में या 10 दिन में एक बार
एक
हो.
बार ही हो.
मॉडरेट इज लाइक के हफ्ते में 3-4 बार हो गया. Severe is like after every 10 minutes you are having that 1 or 2 minutes of that.
So that's
that
when
is
you
too
must
much.
take an HRT. or
You
something.
should take even if it is mild or moderate, because
Okay.
medicines बहुत low dose पे हम estrogen देते हैं, which is very good. It comes with lot of nutrition also, supplements also that you have to take. You have to exercise also. आप पिल खा के बैठ नहीं सकते हो. You have to, and you have to have the CBT. You have to make it a, it's a behavior,
Okay.
because
Yeah,
these
I
hot
was coming
flushes,
to that,
hot
yeah.
flushes will just stay for a part of your life. They are not
Yeah.
going to be forever.
Ever.
Yeah.
The moment you know how to tackle them, the moment you know
Yes.
how to deal your life with them. Now, brain fogging is very common thing.
Yeah,
Even
very common.
yeah, even
Very
I even I'm going to have it. The brain
Yeah.
fogging. I also have. I also forget. I go into the room. I say, oh shit, why am I in the room? I forget. I come out, and then my daughter will like, Mama, you went to take your specs or some book or something, and I'm like, oh yeah, I am.
Mm.
But then I give myself a credit. No, it's okay. If I forget,
Yeah.
it's okay to
That's
forget.
the way to
Yeah.
do it.
It's
yes.
okay to forget.
Yeah.
But now I'm back on.
Mm.
So you can do then some mild puzzling. You can
Yeah.
increase your concentration. Again, yoga does wonders.
Yeah,
Actually.
it is doing wonders for me actually. Well,
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Thank you for answering this, Natasha. And thank you, even I am taking that MGD3K since long, since 1.5 or 2
Yeah.
years. So thanks.
This combination kit is good.
Yeah.
You should always take it in together.
MGD3K2.
Yeah. And it is really helping.
And
me
do you
a
need to
lot.
give a gap after a few months, or you can just have it continuous?
It's just you can have it
Because
continuous
generally
also.
लोग कहते हैं कि please do not
हाँ,
continue
हाँ,
for
that's
3
why I
months,
asked.
body को habit हो जाएगी.
Habit हो जाती है.
नहीं,
But I
usually
believe that we should continue.
yeah,
continue
you should take it basharte you get the vitamin D3 and the levels done.
हाँ.
कोई भी supplement आप तब लें जब आपके levels नहीं हैं.
Levels.
And I think a health checkup should be a
Yes.
routine. After 45 years of age, हम सबके health checkups होते हैं. I get it done for my parents also. It's very important because you should. It's not कि कुछ अभी भी मेरे parents के myth होते हैं. Test करवा लोगे कुछ गड़बड़ आ जाएगी और फिर दवाइयाँ शुरू हो जाएंगी. बट अगर नहीं कराओगे तो गड़बड़ अस्पताल में नहीं आना चाहिए जब इलाज ना हो. This is very important.
Right. And most important question, HRT is expensive, is it?
It's not very expensive.
Okay.
Usually HRT का भी ये है कि now there are women जो orally नहीं ले सकती. It's not that expensive, but there are certain patches and gels which come, and few things are still not available in India.
Okay.
So if you have to get some patches and all from outside, they might actually cost you a dime. But
You have to
otherwise,
go-
it's very affordable now.
Affordable now. और आपको क्या रेगुलरली करवाना पड़ता है कि मतलब इफ़ यू हैव हॉट फ्लैशेस तो आपको मतलब कितने दिनों बाद आना है डॉक्टर के पास, कैसा रहता है ये ट्रीटमेंट?
See, usually if you start giving your medicines, it depends on कि whether you have your uterus intact or not.
Okay.
Many females who have got their uterus removed, उनको हम estrogen, progesterone के साथ नहीं देते, सिर्फ estrogen पे डाल सकते हैं. You can give them 3 months, and then you can have a regular follow up with the doctor. Doctor से follow up ज़रूरी है क्योंकि estrogen के अपने side effects भी हो सकते हैं. Plus उनको देखना कि डोज कम करनी है, बंद करनी है. How are you feeling? It's very important to take that feedback. बट इन केस आपको लगता है कि आपका यूट्रस, इन केस योर यूट्रस इज देयर, देन द डॉक्टर्स विल पुट यू ऑन सीक्वेंशियल ईस्ट्रोजन के साथ प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, बिकॉज HRT इसलिए बैड नेम हुआ था क्योंकि it is known to cause in cancers like endometrial cancer and breast
That's
cancer.
what I heard. Yeah.
So you have to if you
Moderated.
get to, if you need to give estrogen supplements to any female, you can moderate the dose by giving tibolons or any other non-steroidal combinations also they come. But in case you have to give, you can add it with progesterones which have cancer protective effect on females,
Okay.
and then the dose can be moderated. वो हमेशा के लिए नहीं लेना,
अच्छा.
बिकॉज जैसे मैंने बोला पेरीमीनोपॉज में ये सिम्टम्स टाइम्ड हैं. ये हर एक का अपना टाइम है, किसी को कुछ टाइम के लिए होगा और हर एक को हर सिम्टम नहीं होता.
हाँ, I was going
लाइक
to say that.
ये नहीं है हॉट
There are
फ्लैशेस सबको ही
almost,
होंगे,
40-45
सबको ही ब्रेन फॉग होगा, नहीं होता.
Hmm.
सबको इरिटेबिलिटी होगी, नहीं होगी. डोंट थिंक अगर इरिटेबल हो तो पेरीमीनोपॉज इज वेरी इजी टू लेबल.
That's what I
आपको
said.
तो PMS हो गया,
PMS.
आपको तो पीरियड्स होने वाले हैं, आप पेरीमीनोपॉज में, बिकॉज अब सोशल मीडिया से बच्चे भी
Yes.
देख रहे हैं.
हाँ, I'm telling
Even
you,
your
yeah,
husbands
that's
are saying,
nice.
आप तुम्हारा पेरीमीनोपॉज चल रहा है. Okay, fine, blame the perimenopause but start respecting me.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
required actually.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Kamal, if I come to you now कि जैसे हॉट फ्लैशेस होते हैं, आपके पास लेडीज आती होंगी जो इस स्टेज में आती होंगी, तो क्या सिर्फ थेरेपी आल्सो वर्क्स फॉर देम, लाइक डू इफ
Yes.
यू वांट टू गो फॉर मेडिसिन्स, क्या
Yeah.
थेरेपी भी
Oh yes, of course. I somehow feel, I don't know whether it's right or wrong, but I feel therapy should be stage 1.
Okay.
When therapy has not helped you, when these few little techniques have not helped you, then yes, you can go up to the doctor and start your other therapies on it. And along with that, I feel that you should continue both.
Okay.
it's always good because you don't know how that medicine is reacting in your system in whichever manner. So along with that, if you're going for therapy, you are expressing, and then when you're discussing about it with a lot of people, and when you're you're more confused, so you want somewhere some clarity after some time. So it's good to go through therapy, then medication, and if best is together.
So do you always guide them to go for medications also?
Absolutely, absolutely. If I feel that yes, that I maybe after a few sessions I see that there is, I feel that those little symptoms are still consisting and they are persisting permanently, it's always good to go to a doctor and take medication. And but I also advise them not to do it alone. Together is the best answer, best thing to do.
All right. Now I come to a stage जिसका हम बात कर रहे थे कि बच्चे जा रहे हैं कॉलेजेस स्कूल्स मतलब बाहर से, ठीक है, पेरेंट्स आर एजिंग और वो भी हमको छोड़कर जाने वाले हैं, ऐसा हम देख रहे हैं, वी कैन फोरसी द सिचुएशन। और इस सिचुएशन में पेरीमेनोपॉज और मेनोपॉज हिट करता है मोस्ट ऑफ द वुमेन को, लाइक अस, लाइक मी आल्सो। तो उस स्टेट में क्योंकि एम्प्टीनेस सिंड्रोम, अगेन पेरेंट्स के जाने का, उस समय सबसे पहले शुड आई गो टू अ गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट और शुड आई विजिट अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट?
I'll say visit a psychologist.
Okay.
Because you are going through two emotions.
Correct.
One is an empty nest.
Yes.
One is your age-related menopause issue, right? So first you need to heal yourself strong enough to go and then take on the other therapies along with that.
Okay.
Someone to give you that, hear you out, someone to assure you, someone to tell you that okay, fine, it's not only you, there are other children, parents who have also gone. And adding to that, like she said, that we start worrying about menopause at once menopause hits us, and the premenopause, like start your vitamins earlier, do your exercise. Same goes, your child is going to go, changes are going to happen. Like you said, now my children are going, I'll start learning the guitar. No, start learning the guitar, whether the children leave now or later. So we also have to mentally, psychologically prepare ourselves to the situation that we are going to go into after a couple of years to come. Like in yesterday, an elderly person, he's 80 I would say, who came to me for therapy. And he came back because he was shocked that he went to visit a friend who is now living in an old age home, a couple. They have a daughter who's doing extremely well, they are in America, and this person came to me for therapy that I'm under depression, that my friend is going through this situation. So to which I told him, I said, see, one, of course, changes of life, changes of time, one has to prepare ourselves. Yes, it doesn't go with our culture, we don't believe in old age homes, we are a cultural knitted family, socially all of us, our Indian culture is that. But then we have to accept it, and we have to instead of sympathizing with that family, we need to empathize with them and support them in our own better way, instead of just getting into a thing and getting into our own emotional weaknesses coming up in the life. So we have to
Shelley,
plan and
yeah.
prepare.
So Shelly, if I have to look in this condition, I think if it is the mind which is boggling, we always have one or two go-to people.
Yeah.
So it's better if you're not able to talk it out to them, if they're not able to understand, you should approach a therapist. But if it comes to body, in case you have any
A
issues
doctor.
with, body, irregular periods, you're getting anxious about that, you're anxious about your intimacy issue with the husband, you're anxious about your palpitations, you're anxious that there are something you're feeling weak, you're not feeling good. Women have a very good sense of,
Understanding their body.
and yeah, the sixth sense they have, I would say that. Then you know that you need a doctor, go and see a doctor. Most of the women don't even come out with the shame. कि I don't know, वो क्या सोचेगी मैं गई थी. And I have seen Indian women will go in clusters to a doctor.
Yeah.
They will not approach, अकेले जाएंगी नहीं डॉक्टर के पास, वो इकट्ठी दो तीन इकट्ठी जाएंगी. So be at that, but please, you have to
That's
all
also
have.
where the confidence level comes in.
Yeah.
That's where the confidence level comes in.
No, if it has to be, I will also go. I'm like, if I have to get my paps done, I will always carry my mama or,
Yeah.
my friend, yeah, tum chalo, being a doctor also. I'm like, that is how our upbringing is, but that's okay. You go to that person who will understand you, not make, fun of you.
Okay. Right. Calcium and menopause का connection जानना है मुझे.
Very important. So it's not only menopause, the women need calcium. Calcium, the bone loss, right, starts from 32 years of age, when the bone loss is around 1 to 3% per year. But as it is 35, 40 years and perimenopause, the bone loss is drastically, it peaks down. सो वाई डज इट हैपन? क्योंकि ईस्ट्रोजन जो होता है वो कैल्शियम की अब्जॉर्प्शन में हेल्प करता है कि वो कैल्शियम जो है बोन्स में डिपॉजिट हो जाए. पेरीमीनोपॉजल में जब हमें पता है ईस्ट्रोजन ने कम हो जाना है, वो डेपोजिशन नहीं हो पाती इवन इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कैल्शियम. दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड D3 एंड K2 एंड मैग्नीशियम सप्लीमेंट्स टू हेल्प योर रिजॉर्प्शन डन. अकेले कैल्शियम लेने से बात नहीं बनेगी. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ अबाउट ऑस्टियोपीनिया, जिसमें आपकी बोन्स जो हैं बोन डेंसिटी कम हो जाती है, हालांकि कैल्शियम लेवल्स विल कम. ओके, इफ़ इन दैट स्टेज पेरीमीनोपॉज हमने कैल्शियम नहीं लिया. अब नॉर्मल कैल्शियम कितना लेना चाहिए? अराउंड 1000 to 1500. मीनोपॉज में 1500 हो जाता है एंड अदरवाइज पेरीमीनोपॉजल इज 1000 to 1200 मिलीग्राम पर डे. बट देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर. कहीं ये ना हो कि आप कैल्शियम ले लो और डिपॉजिट हो गए या पत्थर सारे अंदर एंड देन यू विल बी टेकिंग ट्रीटमेंट फॉर दैट. सो कैल्शियम लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट D3 की एब्जॉर्प्शन के साथ. बट इन केस आपने अपने ऑस्टियोपीनिया वाले स्टेज में कैल्शियम नहीं लिया तो वो ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस हो जाएगा. फिर आपके बोन्स ही बिल्कुल शैलो हॉलो एंड आप सोचिए बहुत ट्रबैकुलर बोन्स बहुत कमज़ोर हो जाएंगी. इतना कमज़ोर कि आपने सुना होगा कि उसकी दादी या नानी गई बाथरूम में स्लिप हुई, हड्डी टूट गई एंड देन दैट्स इट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपन्स. सो ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस के बाद फ्रैक्चर होने की जो टेंडेंसी है बहुत बढ़ जाती है और उस टाइम पे मेडिसिन लेने से फिर बात नहीं बनती है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to get your
started at 30-32. पहले अपने levels check करवाकर फिर उसके बाद 30-32 पे start.
Not exactly 30-32. If your diet is good,
Yeah,
why
then
do
you
you
don't
start?
need it. Yeah, you don't
But
need
yes, when the bone loss is at the peak after 40-42 years of age, yes. And plus I would advise हर फीमेल को एक DEXA scan
Yeah.
करवाएं जो कि bone densitometry
It's a
है.
very good scan.
Yeah, it will tell you whether you are in osteopenia zone or you are going for osteoporosis. You can consult your ortho also,
Okay.
जो आपको या तो tablets या कुछ injections पे डाल देगा depending on कितना severe है condition, so that you can live up to a healthy future as well.
Who should go for a DEXA scan? ये question आया एकदम से. Who should go? Like anybody, the one who is feeling healthy and like hale and hearty, कुछ problem नहीं है.
All females
Just
who
like
are
that,
all
like,
females
it's just
with
that-
perimenopausal more than 45 years should have a DEXA scan done, like you have a breast mammography done. It's not that you're not feeling anything, but you never know there are lumps which are coming up. So breast mammography, a DEXA scan, and gynec checkup, looking at your ultrasound of pelvis,
Right.
looking at your ovaries कि कुछ cyst तो नहीं बना हुआ. These are all silent symptoms because let me tell you, even ovarian cancer or any, God forbid, any cancer in females are, it's grade 3 and grade 4 by the time the symptoms start appearing. So these screening tests, the pap smears which has to be done, that's a screening test for cancer. तभी HPV vaccine का आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा शोर हो गया है. अपने बच्चों को दे दो, that is very important. So this is very important that we have to get our health checkup done routinely, especially the females around menopause.
अब मैं आती हूँ अपने मेल काउंटरपार्ट्स की तरफ एंड कामिन आपसे सवाल कि उनको क्या एडवाइस करना चाहिए हमको इस समय पे. मतलब उनको
Can you advise them?
We cannot, like, as a doctor, what advice would you give to them? Because even like we cannot advise them, you have to do this and you don't have to do this.
Yes.
But as a doctor, क्या कहना चाहिए उनको कि हाँ this is what we are going through और ये चीज़ advisable है इस relationships के लिए भी, life के लिए भी. So what exactly would that be?
For men, I would always say this, that when a woman is talking to you, she's not looking for anything but again wants to be heard. So don't start giving advice.
Right.
Even if she's bickering about your own parents or she's bickering about children or she's bickering about any situation, at that moment please listen to her. Don't give her a solution. She's not even asking for a solution. She wants to talk to you. वो आपसे इसीलिए बात कर रही है क्योंकि she wants to feel close to you. She wants to feel कि मेरे पास कोई है. There is somebody. And whatever you might say in this world, we are the queens, we would be anything. We do need a man in our life for our
Yes,
supports. Right? Whether it's a friend, whether it's your spouse, whether it's your boyfriend, anything. I'm not even going. So when a woman is talking to you, first just listen to her. You want to give her advice or you want to say something, it doesn't take much. Say something which she wants to hear, especially during these years of her life, because she's already come to you after she's given up on a lot of things in her life. So प्लीज उसको सुन लो, उसको ज्ञान मत दो, थोड़ा बी नाइस, उससे talk to her nicely, listen to her, and she'll go back with a smile and you will have no problem.
Yeah, Shelly, you know, I have some couple friends and I see this understanding setting in. The male counterparts are understanding the vibes.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's if it's not 100%, it is it has started.
Yeah.
So it is very important कि हमारे जो counterparts हैं, we are understanding. They have to understand us. They have to support us because after all, we are all a family.
Yeah.
It's very important. So I always tell, you know, whosoever a female comes in, get your husband next time because अगर if they are not able to understand, they will understand it from my perspective.
Yes.
It is very important.
हाँ,
So I
डॉक्टर
always
साहब ने
tell
कहा
them,
था,
yeah, so this is very important. I always tell them, whether you're fighting, whether you're doing anything, one hug a day is important.
Yes.
It will raise up your endorphins, your serotonins. और एक हग तो एकदम फ्री की है, जादू की झप्पी जिसने मुन्ना भाई MBBS दे रखा है. It really works actually.
It really works.
it's that touch, it's the feel, it's just that touch that you give and you get it from that person whom you love and you have an attraction towards, makes your nerves just settle in.
Just relax.
Matlab you'll see that thing going down your spine absolutely within minutes. So every man, I would suggest, just do this much and it doesn't cost anything.
Yeah, but most
It
of my
doesn't
few of my
cost.
friends, you know, they have even you know, now kept pets. The dogs are the best stress busters also, actually. So in
Yes.
case you are alone and there is no one, or the husband is traveling overseas, if they agree, I think there's no harm in keeping pets. And I'm such a dog
Yes.
lover myself.
Nice.
I have a Labrador,
Yeah.
so I think
I
it's
am
the
a
biggest
dog
stress
lover. We
reliever.
have a dog loving family. I have 5-6 dogs in our family. But Europe, America, a lot of the Western worlds are also using, like, I have signed off for a few of my clients to allow them to keep cats as pets, and they go and pick them up from special homes because they are therapy cats. All that is nice, very good. But coming back to our culture, coming back to ourselves, I think we all are quite close and driven to each other. We are
Yes,
not
very
that
much.
lonely,
Very
and
much.
we are not like the Western world where we don't have a friend. We are sitting here today, we are three
Yeah.
unknown people
Yeah.
sitting here together and discussing. You can't do it just off the cuff there unless it's bread and butter or some
Yeah,
plus or
yeah,
minus, take
yeah.
or leave. So that way I feel that we are lucky enough, so we as a community we thrive together. So yes, dogs and pets and everything is a great thing, and I believe in it too. But I feel that human emotional connect that you can get from another person has its own
Of course.
own
I
feel
think
and own touch.
this only exists in Indian culture.
That's what I'm saying, because
Yeah.
we are like that.
It's only in Indian
It
culture.
is, our culture is like that.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, yeah. My sister is in the US and she's got 3-4 lovely pets and everything. I get a call from her every 10 days. Stop putting the stories with your friends because I miss it. I can't walk into my friend's house and say, oh, I'm coming for a cup of coffee today. क्यों ऐसे ही बैठ के पकौड़े खाने हैं या खा रहे? We don't do that. They don't do that outside.
don't do that.
So this is very unique to us. It's very unique to us. Hospitality is unique to us. Love, care, human touch, human feel is unique to us, and I feel we should not lose it. I
And I
strongly
think, yeah,
believe in that.
And
We
this
should
is the
not
time
lose it.
that, you know, spouses should give each other time. They should go for
Absolutely.
weekend breakouts or dinners or, you know, that me
Yes.
time with the husband and wife is important.
This
To
is something I
understand.
suggest to a lot of couples,
Yeah,
that
to understand each
must
other.
go out for a meal without your children.
Yeah, very
Just
important.
the two of you, whether it's a meal, whether it's a drive, whether it's a weekend,
Or a coffee break.
or a coffee or anything, but without your children, and where it's just the two of you.
Yeah.
Must do it.
That's what I always do, Natasha and Kamal, कि हम ना after every 15 days ना I give a message to Gaurav कि coffee talk का time हो गया है. In that coffee talk, क्योंकि he always says that okay, coffee is mine, talk is yours. Because coffee तो मुझे किसी अच्छे कैफे में पीनी है. Fine, the venue I will decide. Talk तो तुमने करनी है. Wherever you will take me. तुमने सिर्फ मुझे बोलना है. But that really works like wonders
Of course.
for both of us.
Yeah, I'm going to take these 2 words from
Coffee
coffee
talk,
talk.
So I message CT का time हो गया. Now it is CT. When he sees the number, now she's full. Now she will come after 10-12 दिन हो गए. अभी वो मुझे बोलने वाली है CT चलो.
Another
Then
place
it's
I
the
feel
venue.
which is very good is drives. because you're captive in one
Yeah,
car.
and
You
it's
cannot do
wonderful. I
anything.
just
The
love
amount, like my husband
long
and I don't
drives,
stay
huh.
together. He stays at the farm and I stay in Chandigarh.
Mhm.
All our family decisions have been taken, or major decisions or minor decisions are taken in the car.
Yeah.
Because when you're driving from place A
Because
to
you're
A, and you're
together.
captive, you can't run away.
You
You
can't
can't.
run
You
away.
don't getting really distracted. Otherwise, other than your drive, so you can really have heated, good, strong, deep conversations when you're out for drives. So these are a few things which couples start doing. Things would be beautiful.
therapy तो हम
Yeah,
खुद
yeah.
भी कर सकते हैं
Of
अपने
course,
relationships के लिए.
of course,
We all
of
can.
course.
We have to. We have to. We are women.
Yeah.
I will not demean by this by saying that little sacrifice आपकी तरफ से अगर initiate हो जाता ना, things are much better
Of
because
course.
the men are not brought up in the society
Yes.
that they will take the first step. So why not take the first step by yourself also? क्या जाता है, अपना ही रिश्ता है संभालना तो
And I
भाई.
also feel their emotional angles are very different. They don't think the way we think. They're because of again hormones, and I guess they're complete
They are
XX chromosome, XY chromosome, and everything. Their thought process is not as the way we think. Like we might read in between the lines. Men don't know how. For them, life is black and white. They can't really read. इसने इससे बोला तो इसका मतलब ये हो सकता है और ये
No,
भी
no,
हो
no,
सकता
they are
है.
just straight
They are
bro.
this. So they can't perceive what you're thinking. So we have to
Yeah.
give them that credit or non-credit or whatever you want to give it.
So that kind of
So-
ideology हमको उनके अंदर plant करनी पड़ती
नहीं
है.
कर सकते. You can't plant anything. See, if you have to plant, then you're changing the person. You can never. A relationship will never survive if you're changing the person.
Right.
It has to be this is like this is like this, and you have to bridge
Yeah,
it.
थोड़ा तेरा थोड़ा
हाँ,
मेरा
you
और
have
कुछ
to
हमारा.
bridge it. और कुछ हमारा.
कुछ हमारा.
So
I
you
think
can't
this will
change.
work.
You can't plant anything.
Right.
But yes, you have to understand कि उनमें वो thought नहीं है. मतलब है ही नहीं. वो है ही ऐसे.
अभी जब हमने ब्रेक लिया मैं और कमिन बात कर रहे थे कि देयर इज अ लेडी विद मी और वो मेरे पास आती है और हम बात कर रहे थे कि उनके जो हस्बैंड है ही इज़ हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ अफेयर सिंस लॉन्ग और पहले उसको कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था मे बी इन दैट एज यंग थी या फिर बच्चों में बिजी थी लेकिन अभी बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं मे बी पेरीमेनोपॉज है कि मेनोपॉज है नाउ इट हैज स्टार्टेड अफेक्टिंग हर मेंटल हेल्थ अ लॉट नाउ शी कैन नॉट टेक कंट्रोल ओवर हरसेल्फ शी वॉन्ट्स टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप लेकिन एक तो हार्मोन्स आर डिस्टर्ब्ड और एक मे बी fearful है मे बी शी इज़ नॉट रेडी टू फेस दैट ट्रॉमा लेकिन बॉडी पर कंट्रोल नहीं है एंग्जाइटी अटैक्स होते हैं पैनिक अटैक्स होते हैं सो इन दैट सिचुएशन क्या सोच होनी चाहिए ये हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे सो आई मीन व्हाट डू यू से
See, like I said, that she needs to draw her boundaries. She needs to be firm.
राइट
First, she has to decide either of the ways. If she's decided to live with this man with these qualities, then somewhere she will have to draw her boundaries with the man, how much of acceptability, not acceptability, and draw it there. If she's planning to, she cannot take it, it's
Yeah.
really troubling her, and she's planning to leave her husband, she should, but not give alibis to other situations कि बच्चों की वजह से नहीं, पापा की वजह से नहीं, फलाने की वजह से नहीं. Then you make up your mind,
Yeah.
be very strong and take the plunge. The plunge would be tough. Either of the directions are not very easy. It's very difficult to, this is not easy, neither is this. But then we have to take that decision and we have to then start drawing our boundaries and deciding कि यही हमने अभी अपने लिए करना है, whether it is correct for the world or not.
राइट
Because suffer तो आप कर रहे हो ना, कोई और तो सफ़र नहीं कर रहा है.
Right.
सो आप अपनी डिसीजन लेके उसको मूव ऑन करो.
शैली मुझे क्या लगता है ना यहाँ पर एजुकेशन का बहुत बड़ा रोल है बिकॉज मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ में हमेशा दो किस्म के फीमेल्स देखी हैं वन शी विल रिजॉर्ट टू वट एवर इज़ हैपनिंग इन द फैमिली आई हैव टू स्टिक टू द फैमिली मुझे अपनी फैमिली बचा के रखना है बिकॉज आई एम द ओनली वन आई एम द मे बी द नेक ऑफ द फैमिली मेरे बिना नहीं चलेगी बिकॉज हम फीमेल्स को आदत है सब कुछ अपने ऊपर लेकर सारे ब्रंट अपने ऊपर लेकर के बस मैं ही नहीं होंगी तो मेरी वजह से कोई भी नहीं रहेगा ये सोचने की. एक दूसरा तथ्य है इफ़ यू हैव अ वेरी इंडिपेंडेंट एंड अ वेरी एजुकेटेड फीमेल हु नोज़ कि समथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग एंड डिस्पाइट आर कॉम्प्रोमाइज एंड sacrifices if she's not able to pull on she knows that even without any support system she can sustain herself and the kids because अगर कोई भी फीमेल इंडिया में घर छोड़ती है वो वापस नहीं जा सकती no matter how strong. Now I'm seeing the situations turning because the brothers, the fathers, the they
Yeah.
can stand up.
Yeah.
They do fight for the daughters, but कितने fight करते हैं मुझे
बहुत
नहीं
कम,
पता.
बहुत
Yeah,
कम.
मुझे नहीं पता because it's like अभी भी मेरे जो friends हैं वो बताते हैं मम्मा and people saying थोड़ा सा और देख लो,
Yes.
कुछ ऐसे adjust कर लो.
Yes.
So that's why now I think ये जो हम episodes भी सुन रहे हैं hype के किसी की death हो गई whatever, so
Right.
much social media was about 2-3 girls who had just recently
Yes,
married
yes,
and they
yes.
just lost their lives. I think these were preventable, you know. They should not be happening.
You know,
so,
I would say it's not. It is to do with your education or your exposure, but unfortunately, what my experience has been, the ones who are educated and have exposure are more scared of the society as compared to the ones who are not, because for them this is their strength. So when I go back to my farm and we have 2 villages attached to the family, and I deal with a lot of women there, I find the women much stronger there than the women who are
Yeah,
in the
I think
urban.
so.
They are much stronger. If they want to take a decision and walk off with somebody, they will take that decision. They will not bother. Whereas somebody in this urban area will think twice
Yes,
and think
twice.
this, that, this, because that much more awareness you have and that much. So what again it boils down to is you yourself. If you want to take that decision, you will take that decision. Just I was telling her, there's a client of mine, I tried to save her marriage for 6 years. There was no infidelity or anything, incompatibility between husband and wife. Ultimately, she came and said, I have taken a decision. I'm leaving him tomorrow morning. And she did that. She said, I'm coming to you, I'm leaving him tomorrow morning. And she did it. 6 years we went to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. Educated, independent, strong woman, good family background, no fears of anything. Could not take a decision for 6 years.
I think strength of, you know,
Yeah.
we women come in the most stressful situations.
And when you've made up your mind, when you feel ki I don't care, these are my parameters which made me fearful for leaving my spouse. Now these are the parameters I'm not bothered about. You will take a decision. The minute you start becoming fearful again, you will not take the. That's why so many times होता है कि decision ली फिर backtrack कर गए. Decision ली फिर backtrack कर गए. तब आपने अपने सारे fears को tackle नहीं किया अभी
And I
तक.
think this, the mid-crisis, the perimenopausal age is
Adds
the
to
time
it.
where the females can, you know, sit calmly with a one mindset and they know what is right, what
Right
is
for
wrong.
them. Yes.
Rather than so many hormones pushing each other here and there. But I think this is the best time that we now realize that we have to rejuvenate ourselves with
Like
the
I
best
used to see
possible
my
outcome.
mother doing it. My father was in the army. My mother was a strong woman but a great homemaker. She would tell my father, "Bas ho gaya, enough. Now you're overdoing it." You know, whether it was flirting, whether it was domination, whether it was anything, dictatorship, democracy, anything. She would say, "Now you're overdoing. Now take it easy." So she drew the line, and my dad knew that I cannot now cross it because this will go, the boat will.
So basically, we have to
Think.
set examples for
Yes.
our own kids.
Yes.
It's very important. We
Yes.
we have to
We are
change
We
the
have
trend.
to. We have to have non-negotiables.
Yeah, we have to have.
We
those.
have to have those non-negotiables, and your non-negotiable would be different than mine than yours. It has to be your non-negotiable.
Yeah, we
That
have to
is
be
something-
constant for them.
Yeah.
We are the consonants.
Yes,
basically.
yes. Like I have a daughter. She's 25. There are a few non-negotiables I've taught her.
Seriously? What do you do? What do you eat?
Nothing.
Tell us your diet.
So I have my non-negotiable. I mean I have taught from my side a few non-negotiables with regard to men, but there are a few places where I feel I've made her too strong, and I feel, oh my god, you know, that
Wow.
might be things I have to sometimes, you know.
कि कहीं ना कहीं ये चीजें शायद ना चलें.
Exactly.
एक दो माइनस करने पड़ेंगे.
हाँ, I have to do it at times. That okay, baby, no, let's
यहाँ पर देख
adjust
लो.
this a little bit. You're overdoing it where it comes to that.
Maybe you have passed on to this on to the next generation. लेकिन जो हमारी generation थी, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हम सभी जितने भी यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, doing it all हमारी एक वो है कि हमें सब कुछ करना है. मतलब हम we stepped out of the houses, we are working also, but we want to be good at homes also. We want to be good mothers also. We just want to perform everywhere excellently.
Yeah, जैसे Shelly, you
Is it
said
a-
ना
is
कि
it a
ये
problem or what?
Yeah,
I mean,
ये
is it a
जैसे-
psychological issue?
I'll tell you what, I have done a little study on this over a few clients of mine, and myself included. I feel it's an attention issue.
Okay.
We like to be in control.
This is a new one. Yeah.
I like to be in control. I mean, if I look at it totally unbiased to the world
Yeah.
and biased to myself, I want to be there everywhere.
Yeah.
So somewhere I'm wanting that attention. I want to be the person noticed in that surrounding, whether it's your home, whether it's your workplace, whether it's wherever. And we want to, one is attention, the other is control. We want to be in control. So these two things do make us do. There are women who don't do it.
Yeah.
There's so many women who don't
Yeah,
do it.
yeah.
And they're not bothered. Their life is going beautiful. Their homes are running fine. The clothes are lying all over or not lying all over. The servants are doing it. Most of us who are doing it have these two little issues in life. And like in my case, it was pointed out by a very close friend of mine. He says, you overdo it. Who's asked you to do it? Nobody. Nobody has asked you to do it. You put your foot in. तेरे घर में शादी, अच्छा मैं आके हेल्प कर देती हूँ, अच्छा तो घर, that's my problem. Oh, you're setting your house, I'll come and set it. Oh, your child does have a problem, send that child to me. Oh, you, this is problem, let me. He said, who has asked you?
So what, like?
So he says, maybe somewhere at some journey of your life, you lack the attention.
Yeah,
And I look, if I go back my journey, my brother was always a very intelligent child who did very well in life. I was intelligent but not academically intelligent. So maybe at that time, to cope with that attention, I must have learned this technique in my growing stages. And now it's become a habit in my life. And I do it. But that might not be my true self. So we also have to look in why we are doing it.
So I think that switch offs, when you are in the perimenopause and you let it go.
Let it go, yes.
Actually.
And
That's
then
what
you're
you
like,
let it
you
go.
do whatever you want to do.
Let
You
it
Zomato,
be yours
Swiggy,
or
your
let it
cup
no
of
matter
tea.
what.
Yeah.
True.
Let me sit back. I'm going to go shopping.
Exactly. So we've
Yeah.
shed that out of our
Yeah,
system, which
actually.
we've
So,
controlled
I
till
think
now.
this perimenopausal should be the best honeymoon period for
Actually.
any female reliving their lives after 40s.
I
True.
swear.
Correct, sir. That's a very good answer. Okay, अगर आप 45 year old को एक advice देना चाहोगे, तो वो क्या होगी आप दोनों की तरफ से?
So I will really say, never say never. Always be happy. But take your multi supplements, the nutrients, the Mg, D3, K2 and calcium supplements. Don't miss out on yoga or any, be calm. Take a 6-second pause. Meditate if you're in very stressful conditions. Try to talk it over. Try to communicate. Get a closure. Very important. Do resilient based exercises so that you have your strength coming back. Take a balanced diet, no smoking, no alcohol. This age, you have to really, step some things down in your life. And yes, when it comes to a doctor, your yearly annual health checkups are a must.
So that's a menopause survival kit
Yeah.
Yes.
for all of us.
Yes.
Okay, and that's
So I
the
agree,
same-
yeah, absolutely
that's
with
the
her.
same
Live
stuff.
your life.
Yeah.
Do what you wish you're comfortable with and happy with. But yes, I think I agree with all the parameters what she has mentioned. Ditto. Totally.
Do you think that हमारे बच्चों को भी हमको इसके बारे में educate करना चाहिए? Perimenopause, menopause and everything. Like if you look at our husbands, हमको बहुत late उनको ये चीज़ें समझ में आई हैं. लेकिन अगर हम अपने बच्चों को initially educate करें, would that be better?
See Shelly, what I think is ना बच्चों को सेक्स एजुकेशन बताना पहले बहुत ज़रूरी है जो हम लोग पेरेंट्स नहीं बात करते बच्चों के साथ. We are like shame. Shame is such a derogatory word. Why is it a shame? The susu is a shame आ रही है. I could never understand what is that shame. But you have to really open out to the kids. If you're able to do that thing, if you're able to watch certain scenes in front of your kids, you're trying to explain them, that means you have done wonders in your life educating them. They will understand that. Perimenopausal के बारे में husbands को बताना ज़रूरी है. These are the support partners. They are going to support us through. The kids are going to grow up. They are going to make us irritate. वो revolution या revolt करने के लिए ही पैदा हुए हैं. But the thing is, supporters have to support us.
And when your your menopausal stages are there, your children are anyways not with you. So, like she said, your husband, your spouse, your whoever, your friend, your spouse, your husband, your boyfriend, whatever in today's day and age, he has to support you. Children are anyways meeting you at for a very short span because that is their growth time, na? Unke bhi to 21s colleges and making their living and life is there. And what she said about shame is something which I totally agree. We have to educate our children with the truth. I believe in that right from the time they are young. There's this child, this story I love telling everybody, and it's short and sweet. I like to make it. Is that there was this child I interacted with when she was I think 5 years old, and she would come and sit in my lap and try to hug and kiss me, and her kiss was not a kiddish kiss. So I was a little concerned and I was a little worried about her way her demeanor was. So and I once or twice tried to talk to her and explain. I could not. Then I called the mother and I said, have you ever by any chance watched films in front of your child or done something? She said, oh, maybe. So I said, what happened? She said, yeah, one day we saw a film and there was a kissing scene and blah, and we shut our child's eyes and said, don't watch it, ye gandi cheez hai. And she says a few months or few weeks or few days, it's a very old story, she says she saw us kissing. So in her mind, for parents who are God, have done something wrong, have done a gandi cheez. So have you seen that whole cycle had messed up a 5-year-old mind, where she was taking out her frustration and she was trying it out of me. Is it gandi cheez if I do it with this lady? When I sat and explained it to that child and I told her, she was absolutely okay. And this child is now 24, 23, around that much. I met her and she still remembers that story. She still, and generally after 5 years, medically people do forget a lot of things. But she hasn't forgotten, and she said that transformed. So how a parent had made an action of theirs as a gandi cheez. So one has to be very well educated at the right level to the children also.
And what is the correct age for that? Issue BTS banaiye aap iska. And what is the correct age for this?
See, might not be the
and how should they be explained? Like just a few crisp and
correct
short words.
age is one thing which differs culture to culture. What I feel is, don't make it a story. Tell them the truth. If a child has happened to see something or feel something or tell them the truth. Don't make a story like she said shame, shame, or I said that, oh, kissing, you saw kissing, don't see this, it's bad. No. The way our children have changed, what we did and what we were told at an 18-year-old needs to be told today when a child is 10-year-old or maybe 7-year-old or 6 years old. So sex education, we are doing it actually. Most of the schools today and places, all these educations need to start 7, 8, because your periods are starting very early. So the boys need to be sensitive about the girls' periods. They need to be sensitive about so the girls need to be sensitive about their hormonal changes and everything. So we need to start it early in life now. Like our child is a kind of an adult by the time the child is 12, 13 years old. Thanks to social media, thanks to exposure, thanks to everything. So we need to equip this child before the child gets wrong information from everywhere.
So I think by 5 to 6 years, the kids now in the primary or the nursery section know what is good touch and bad touch.
Yeah.
And teachers are doing a very beautiful thing, and even the mothers should
Yes.
rehearse that
Yes.
this is a good touch and that is a bad touch. I always tell my daughters, any touch is bad. Nobody should be allowed to touch you. Nothing, not even on the clothes or anything, not on the hands also. So in today's scenario, I don't think so any kind of touch should be done. If it is avoidable, should be avoided. And either they touch, if you have to regard someone, just say hello, or just a handshake is good enough. And when you're talking about sex education, that to start, actually, you have to tell the girls, because after 8 years, the kids, they start thinking. That is when the stranger feeling goes. They know that they start relating the things and the hormones come into picture. And the thelarchy is as early, the breast development starts by 9-10 years. In India now, most of the females are having precocious puberty.
Yeah.
Their menses are starting very early, at 11 years or 12 years. They should be having that education also, and the boys should also be told that this is okay to have any girl to have menses.
Yeah.
Because there's such a shaming business in school. Even the teachers, I don't know how the teachers are now taking.
No. Nowadays, schools
I
are really working on this.
They are actually taking the the transition classes for the parents. There is an orientation class from I think 5th to 6th class की orientation होती है when primary से secondary जाता है. So this is a beautiful platform where that is the time
so
they
much
should
so
be
even
the sex
CBSE
education.
CBSE has
should
it
be
in its
done.
curriculum. No, it has it. That at certain stages you have to teach your children these things, and this is it's a compulsory program that you have.
And as
AEPs, we call
doctors,
it.
I have also gone to many public and government platforms in schools, and I have taught them about menstrual hygiene and about the the good parts and the bad parts, and what is the reproductive system to the boys and the girls, and have their concerns is very important.
They need to be taught about masturbation.
they have to be
taught about all these things, and we have to talk to them all these things. After all these things are building. When you're 40, 45, these things, these sensitivities, when they begin now, is what is going to matter then.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
But don't you think that, like, because every coin has two sides, what I feel.
too much information.
Too much information paralysis होना भी common है इस generation
So that's
में.
when I
And
said
then over maturity also comes very early. That's what
no.
I feel in few kids, like not in everybody. But then don't you think that it's a side effect of this over information?
No. So this is exactly what I meant. It has to be age appropriate.
Yeah.
So when a child we are dealing with who's in grade say 3 or 4, grade 3 or 4, that child needs to be given education on
Right.
menstruations and everything. The minute that child reaches a 5, 6, 7 or a 6, 7, 5, 6, 7 is when we are giving them education on sex, safety, body parts and all that. And like lower classes, like what she meant, good touch, bad touch, starts when you're 3, 4 years old, when you're in your kindergartens and everything.
Right.
Because so that this has to be very, very thing, and not only by educational institutes, at home also.
Right.
Yes.
Parents, fathers, why do kids, girls are attracted towards their father and things like that. So all these things have to be taught systematically, age appropriate to the children.
Okay, Kamin, I might ask you a question here, that if a child and who is 16, 17, let's say 15, 16 maybe, आज की डेट में तो थोड़ी एज कम कर देते हैं, he comes to you and he says कि like I feel different now, something is changing in me, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? I mean, इस समय what should I do? Should I talk to somebody? Should I talk to my friends? Or is it right or wrong? So what advice would you give?
100% talk.
Okay.
You could go to a doctor,
Yeah.
you could go to a therapist, you could talk to your parents,
Yeah.
you could talk to your father if it's a boy, talk to your mother, or you could either ways also. There are so many emotions if a girl has which she feels her father can understand, her father
Right.
will be able to explain, so talk
Right.
with the father, and vice versa for a boy, for a woman and everything like that. Must talk about
Yeah,
it.
I agree, because
Must
if
talk
anybody is
about
coming
it.
to you straight on and he wants to discuss someone, or she wants to discuss something, that means the people can easily confide in you.
Yeah.
So it's very important to let them know that these are the okay feelings.
Okay
The
feelings,
hormonal
yeah.
changes are okay, your attractiveness is okay, but it has to set boundaries.
Right.
Yes.
You know, you don't have to drink each and every drink. You know, you never know. Yeah, which is
And
off label.
avoid, when I said this, and I didn't say take name of friends, though friends are great help and great advisors,
Yeah, yeah.
but friends are talking out of their experience, which
Yes.
might not be
Which
correct,
is
Yeah.
which might
very
be
little experience.
socio driven, or might be just information driven, which might not be correct.
Correct.
So avoid taking that advice from your friend. You can
Right.
share it with your friend, but don't
Right.
follow that advice. Take advice from a senior.
नहीं, मुझे
certainly,
लगता है इसमें ना
100%.
पेरेंट्स का रोल है
बहुत
अब
very important.
सबसे ज्यादा पेरेंट्स का रोल है, उनको
Very
पीछे
important.
लगना ही पड़ेगा
Right.
बच्चों के, बिकॉज वी कैन ओनली गाइड देम, वी कैन ओनली पुट देम ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. और वो ट्रैक जरूरी नहीं है कि 10 साल के बच्चे को ही आएगी, वो 20 साल में भी
Yeah,
करनी पड़ सकती है, वो 25 साल में भी करनी पड़ सकती है.
Absolutely.
So I always believe we should give wings to our kids to fly, but then it's not that we can
Chop
cut
them
them.
when required.
No, but then we should always be supporting when they are falling down.
Oh, yes,
And, you know, we should
100%.
always tell them the direction. We are the coach, they are the captains. That's what I always
And they need to whether they follow it or not is not in your
Yeah.
purview,
Correct.
but you need to tell. You need to tell.
या
So-
तू कर मैं हूँ,
हाँ.
but सही कर.
Sahi kar. I always say, a child even commits murder, comes back home, the mother or father will support them, but you need to
Yes.
have that confidence na, with your
Yes.
parents and your child. So that is very important.
And that's all generally built at the age when they're 5, 6.
It builds at 3 years old. Starts maybe at conception also, but actually this emotional development starts off very
Because
early.
of social media ना, अगर
Yes.
आप देखें ना, वो 3 years का बच्चा भी
Right.
English पट बोल रहा है.
हाँ.
They are understanding everything. In my daughter, if I have to compare, she has a better hang on things rather than me. Her EQ is too good. IQ is actually on her dad, very nice. But the thing is, sometimes you have to really get down to think, you know, pa their level, what are they thinking? It's very important to talk, communicate, sit with them, and make them that this is a good perspective, and you can see this thing with this perspective also.
Yeah.
So very important to
Yeah.
have a constructive talk rather than destructive.
And
Very
you'll see
important.
they'll follow. They might not follow immediately, but they will follow somewhere what you've told them, because they'll understand that yes, it's coming. चाहे ठोकर खा के, but they will
हमने
try
भी
to
बड़ा
follow.
ठोकर से
हाँ,
सीखा है, हमने भी
ठोकर से
सारा
सीखा है।
100% नहीं माना है, so we are not gods, but yes, we have to give them right direction because
Absolutely.
social media is doing not the good part
Part
also
of
in
it.
them.
Right. Okay, now I come back to the topic again because हम बीच में बच्चों के टॉपिक पर चले गए थे. I'll be asking rapid fire to both of you. लेकिन उससे पहले एक सवाल to you, Natasha. Vaginal dryness and hot flashes, they are all connected. क्योंकि vaginal dryness एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जो हम बहुत ज़्यादा सुनते हैं women at perimenopausal stage. तो उसके लिए क्या measures हैं जो ले सकते हैं?
It's a very good question, शैली, और मैं बात भी करना चाहती थी. Vaginal dryness because estrogen कम हो जाता है, तो जो epithelium है, अब आप देखेंगे skin में changes आ जाते हैं as we are aging. So nowadays you must be seeing many people talk of taking collagen supplements, glutathione, vitamin C, collagen, take tablets, take dispersible tablets and just have it. So one thing is like, with vaginal dryness, you have a lot of vaginal moisturizers also available in the market, but they are actually just आप लगाएंगे जैसे क्रीम आप फेस पे लगाते हैं, but you have to hydrate your skin again and again. Even a sunscreen you have to put after 2-3 hours again and again. So the same thing happens to the vaginal dryness also. So in these patients, we always say that these patients are now prone for vaginal infection, recurrent vaginal infections. बोलेंगे हम medicines खा रहे हैं, pastries डाल रहे हैं, antibiotics ले रहे हैं, again after month to month they are coming, and then urine infection. So this is GSM, genitourinary syndrome of menopause, we call them. If it is in a very severe, we need to put these patients on hormonal replacement therapy. But if it is a localized vaginal dryness, then there is something known as cosmetic gynecology, which is a subspecialty of gynecologist field only, which is coming up. आप लोगों ने बहुत सुना होगा that women have to now maintain, they should think about their own sexual health also. And in cosmetic gyne, it's not that we are looking at the appearance of it, के designer babies like designer labia बन गया, Barbie labia बन गया, what people are talking. It's nothing got to do with that. It's just that some laser machines and some machines have now come which can rebuild the collagen of the vaginal tissue. Now vagina is held up by just muscle and fascia. और वो मसल और फेशिया में क्योंकि ईस्ट्रोजन रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं, ईस्ट्रोजन रिसेप्टर डिप्लीट हो जाते हैं, तो प्रोलैप्स या फिर द यूट्रस ऑल्सो जस्ट पुल्स डाउन एंड यूरिन इन्फेक्शन से प्रोन हो जाते हैं, ब्लैडर नीचे आ जाता है, तो सारे टिश्यूज़ नीचे के लूज हो जाते हैं, सो दैट इंटीमेसी, दैट टाइटनेस डजंट रिमेन. So these laser machines, what do they build the collagen. So if they build the collagen, you have a lift up, so the vaginal walls also lift up. But the thing is, you have to have multiple sessions for that. Only one session will not give you results. But then if you get the results after 3 or 4 sessions also, results are tremendous. So lot of now females are approaching us for vaginal rejuvenation, as you call them. And these laser machines have no downtime. It means if you have got an internal TVS ultrasound, it is just like that. A machine goes in, comes out, and next day you're ready for a good party. No pain, nothing. Ultrasound probe से कितना ही pain होता है, nothing. So and then you can party.
You find in 5-10 minutes. You're absolutely okay with after
10 minutes, that's it. 10-15 minute session,
And
that's
what
it.
about side effects? If I'm just
Nothing. No downtime,
No
nothing.
downtime. No
You're good to go for a vacation.
Okay. Okay. And vaginal dryness की वजह से there is low sex drive also.
Yes, because if the thing is very dry, you need lubrication.
Right.
Whenever you are indulging in any act of intimacy, there is always some parts of the body or trigger zones which will cause lubrication of the vagina, and then there is that movement. So if that part is missing because the vaginal tissues as well as the glands are atrophied, so that lubrication, either if you're not very well versed, you can use some lubric gels. You have to use those gels, otherwise they'll cause tearing. You'll not enjoy when there is no lubrication. So either you can use lubrication gels or you can use one of the lasers, which are the techniques to get your moment of drive well. Plus, if the libido is too low, you have to talk it out to your husband. You can take some
was coming to
supplements, the
that.
isoflavones, and the micronutrients.
Also, I
works
guess
well.
after a couple of years, that boredom sets in, the routine sets in. That's where the attraction to other things
Right.
also. So that is another thing. What I always tell a lot of my clients who come up with these issues: go back to your
Yeah.
honeymoon stage or your initial years of your life. What changes have come in you in the last 20 years with relation to each other?
Right.
Get that excitement back, get that thing back somehow or the other, whichever way you can, because that will also help you with all these medicines and
Yeah.
gels and everything. So get back your mind tuning, attraction, feeling, the feel of want. Basically, that feel of want is also died. So, you know, one is, of course, biologically and medically that is happening, but a lot is happening in your mind also.
correct.
You know, so these two things need to be gelled in
Because
very well.
Shelly, a man can get aroused by even a voice.
Yeah.
Women take longer time. You have to really woo women.
Actually, you have to really woo women and मुझे ये लगता है कि इमोशंस बहुत मैटर करते हैं
Very
women
much.
को.
If you, a woman
Go for
will,
love.
you know, mostly what I have seen is if you love someone, it automatically comes.
हाँ.
You have to have that emotion of love.
Hmm.
But I think with guys, I don't think so that's
Hmm.
It
much
varies.
valid.
It varies in guys also. We hear a lot of guys also losing it, but a lot. Again, see, a guy never likes to talk about it. A guy, it's because it's his manhood is being questioned, right? But a lot of guys also go through it majorly, big time, and again, that stimulation has to happen both ways.
Yeah, it's a
So,
mutual thing. It
see,
has
for
to
a
happen.
man, it is an activity. For us, it's emotion.
Absolutely. It's
For
different
man,
for
it's
both
an
of us.
activity. It is just another
Yeah.
trip to the gym.
Yeah.
For a woman, it is a lot of emotions
Yeah,
involved
lot
in
is
it.
involved in that.
है ना?
Yes.
So we have to merge that. Either are not good.
Hmm.
Emotions also are not good. Activities also. We have to merge that between the couple to make it successful, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, now I come to the rapid fire. First is Natasha. HRT, yes, no, yeah, depends.
Depends.
Calcium या protein?
Both.
Yoga और ये gym और gym.
Yoga is much better.
Menopause का सबसे बड़ा myth.
Menopause का सबसे बड़ा myth that women have lost their life. It's over for them.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So-
But this is a second life you get back and you come
Yes.
back with a bang.
So you pause.
You're lucky you have another chance.
Yeah, you have another chance, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Now for Kamal. Therapy or meditation?
Therapy,
Journaling या talking?
talking, and journaling
Both.
in that order.
Okay. One word to describe menopause.
Me, no pause.
Me, no, I'm not gonna pause.
I'm not going to pause. Life is beginning,
It's
like
just
what
that
she
I'm
just
mentally
said.
gonna pause, but I'm not gonna
No
pause.
way.
Happiness का secret after 40.
Be you.
Beautiful, beautiful. We'll stop for a while और मुझे 2-3 reels के सवाल पूछने हैं and then we wind up. Very nice, both of you. Thank you.
Thank you,
No,
Shelly, for
thank
lovely
you.
questions.
I know, and good fun talking. I mean, I
Yeah,
enjoyed
yeah,
the day
yeah,
more than
I
anything
really-
else.
Actually,
I've really enjoyed the
we're
day.
celebrating, it's us only, ना?
Yeah.
ये हमारे बारे में ही है, so it's like ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि ये बहुत scripted या
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा तैयार किया हुआ है।
Yeah.
नताशा, HRT को लेकर इतना confusion क्यों है?
क्योंकि पहले मिथ था कि HRT से कैंसर्स की मात्रा बढ़ जाती है endometrial या breast. But nowadays any woman who is having hot flushes या उसको urinary retention है, vaginal dryness है या फिर bones की problem है, it's a cardioprotective, they should be taking HRT, it's safe.
And Kamin, क्या हर mood swing जो है वो hormones की वजह से होता है?
No. It's a lot. It's a package.
Okay.
It's to do with your situation. It's the moment, the baggage that you're carrying, and a lot of other things that matter. So alone, it's not only because of that. So you have to look into the complete thing.
अगर हर woman को 40 के बाद सिर्फ 3 टेस्ट करवाने हैं तो वो कौन से होने चाहिए नताशा?
First of all, take care of your bone health. Get a DEXA scan or a bone densitometry. Second is you have to take care of your heart. So get HbA1c, lipid profiles, RBS, get regular blood pressure checking also done. And third, I would say is that you should get a gynec checkup. You should get regular pap smears in case you are less than 65 years of age. You should get your ultrasound done to check your endometrial thickness in case you are having spotting. And your breast mammogram to rule out any chances of cancer, and do self breast examinations after age of 40.
क्या आप दोनों को लगता है कि सोशल मीडिया की वजह से मेनोपॉज इज ओवरहाइप्ड?
Yes.
I think it should be talked more often because what I have seen and I have lived through is like, you know, women think that आपको menopause हो गया और life is over. You cannot do anything, you cannot participate, you cannot go, you cannot dance, you cannot pursue a new job. आपके लिए कोई नया करियर करना भी बिल्कुल ऑप्शन आउट है. ओनली योर प्लेस इज योर किचन एंड योर हाउस वेयर यू स्टे इन. So it should be talked out, but yes, you should listen it not from the influencers, but the doctors and the right
Yes,
kind of people.
That's where I agree
Right,
with it. It's
right.
been overhyped.
Yeah.
That's what I feel, because what is happening is that everybody is connecting it to menopause,
Right.
which is not true.
Correct.
Of course, it is there.
Mhm.
Menopause happened to our great grandmothers
Yes,
also.
actually,
It happened to
to
our
them
grandmothers. It happened to our mothers.
also. Right.
I mean, mothers we can relate to because we might have seen it. Great grandmothers, but we never had all these supports. So I feel that a routine, a systematic day in your life every day matters more, and we cannot connect everything to menopause. Every emotion is not only menopause, and it's both. People are making fun of it, and secondly, some women are also misusing it.
Yeah, many.
Oh, I've got menopause. So we, like she said, the doctor is the best to advise you, and we should keep it balanced, which is the word.
And lastly, जब कोई women, क्योंकि because it is so much so height, कोई लड़की the one who is going towards her perimenopause और देखकर हम घबरा रही है या कोई देख रही है हमको ऐसी, तो what advice would you like to give to them?
It's okay to face this.
Yes.
It's normal.
That's
It's
right.
totally
It's
what your
normal.
mother had, your grandparents had. So I think you should now have a new perspective to this new life which you are having, in which you are going to really enjoy this phase, because you're going to let go of all the worries and you're going to start living your own life. This is, I think, the best chilled out phase.
Yeah, exactly. It's not a negative thing. Everybody has made it a very negative thing, which is not. Live with it and let it grow with you over a period of time,
Right.
and meet the gynec on time, go to the therapists on time, and just talk and be happy. Be positive and happy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was such a great pleasure to have you both.
Thank you,
you.
Shelly.
Very informative. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
Thank
having us
you.
here.
Thank you.
We've enjoyed.
Yeah, I've enjoyed.
Yeah, me too.